Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you Naptha Airdrop that can make you money in the future. So in order to join here, you need to definitely check out description box for getting every necessary link. And if you are serious airdropper, you can be part of my community. I do share airdrop testnet. You can be part of them. You can be part of them for making money. You don't need to require any expertise at this field, and you don't need to get any kind of fancy stuff, computer, laptop. You need just general mobile phone and internet connection. So if you want, so let's dive in today's airdrop. Okay, welcome everybody. Naptha AI Airdrop testnet is going to be massive, I would say. You are so much early, so in order to join here, you need to come into our Telegram. Just hover over with our videos description box or channel description box for getting the link. And after coming in here, you need to just copy website link, same website, just copy one of them, and you need to paste into our browser in here. Okay, so as simple as that. While you will paste your link, that link you copied, paste into your browser would be pop up, and this page would be 5-10 seconds later pop up. You need to wait here. Okay, then put your email in here. Okay, so I'm providing my email. I'm trying to provide my email in here, and I'm clicking on the submit. Okay, join the waitlist. Thank you, your submission has been received. Be among the first to get access when we launch. Okay, so it has been done. Now you can get back. Your work has been done. So further update, if you want to know, you can come into our Telegram channel. So this is our Telegram. 202 people is already joined. If you want to be part of them, please do join. And you already know Bhana Airdrop is distributed a lot of money to people, just pre-registrations only. So this thing waitlist is pre-registration as well too. So if you want to, please do it. Okay, so see you.